name is Joy, licensed nail technician, and I'm going to show you all how to use French manicure nail stencils. So what I'm going to use today are a top coat and a polish. And then of course I have my nail stencils. So you'll start with your 2 coats of whatever color you choose. We're doing red and we're going to put a darker color over the top of it. So before you do your top coat, you want to take the stencil, and if you want to do the classic French manicure shape, you're going to place it with just a little sliver of nail showing at the top. And you want to do this after the second coat of polish is starting to dry a little bit, because you don't want to lift it off and pull your polish off with it. So you take the polish and you want to do a nice thin layer right above that guide. And be careful not to overlap too much over the guide. You don't want to peel off the edge of your French manicure guide off at the end. So just going along here with a thin layer, cleaning up around our edge, and then I'm going to just gently peel it from one side to the other. And there you have a nice, neat French manicure line. Now you can choose to go over this a second time if you're using a color that's maybe a little bit lighter, or something that's not so opaque if it's a little bit streaky, but you just want to make sure that you don't go over that nice, neat line that you created. So you just want to go right up to the edge of that, just kind of cleaning up and filling out any little spaces that you may have. So by the time you get to your last fingernail, you should be dry enough so that you could take your top coat and just gently go over it and protect your nice manicure line. So there you have it, how to use your French manicure stencils, and I'm Joy again. Bye.